Welcome back, everyone. It's your boy, Paradox. Today I'm bringing you the complete guide on how to start earning cross tokens inside Rohan 2. In this video, you'll learn how to earn cross tokens in-game, how to earn as a content creator, how to withdraw your tokens to your wallet, how to create and optimize your characters, and everything you need to maximize your rewards. If you want to understand the real earning potential inside Rohan 2 and position yourself early, this guide is for you. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates and token strategies. First, you need to head over to the official Rohan 2 website and download the game. All the necessary links are available in the video description, so make sure to check them before getting started. After installing and launching the game, choose your preferred server, and let's move on to the classes. First, we have the Knight class, which at level 50 can advance into two powerful paths. You can choose Defender, a true frontline tank built for maximum durability and team protection. Defenders specialize in absorbing massive damage, controlling enemies, and creating space in battle, making them the perfect choice for players who enjoy leading fights and protecting their allies. Or you can evolve into Guardian, a defensive warrior with strong burst potential. While slightly less durable than the Defender, Guardians make up for it with higher attack power and powerful crowd control, making them ideal for players who want the perfect balance between tankiness and damage output. Next, we have the Healer class, which at level 50 can advance into two powerful specializations. You can evolve into Priest, the ultimate support class. Priests focus on healing magic that protects and sustains party members during battle. If a team needs survivability, shields, and consistent support, Priest is the must-have class for any serious group content. Or you can choose Templar, an offensive magic specialist. Templars trade pure support for powerful ranged magic damage, excelling at monster hunting and dealing high-burst damage. This path is perfect for players who want strong magical DPS while still maintaining holy-based abilities. Your choice at level 50 will define whether you become the backbone of your team or a holy damage dealer dominating the battlefield. Now we have the Archer class, which at level 50 can advance into two specialized paths focused on range dominance. You can evolve into Ranger, a long-range specialist known for precision and control. Rangers excel at dealing consistent single-target damage from a safe distance while disrupting enemies. They are extremely helpful in party content thanks to their ability to control the battlefield and weaken key targets. Or you can choose Scout, a fast and aggressive ranged fighter. Scouts enhance their physical attacks with powerful arrow techniques and specialize in rapid strikes and guerrilla-style combat. This path is perfect for players who prefer mobility, burst damage, and constant pressure on enemies. At level 50, your decision will define whether you become a strategic long-range controller or a relentless, rapid-fire damage dealer. Now we have the Assassin class, which at level 50 can evolve into two specialized paths focused on stealth, burst damage, and lethal efficiency. You can evolve into Avenger, a Shadow Master who excels in stealth and precision kills. Avengers dominate the battlefield by eliminating enemies before they even realize what's happening. With high critical damage, evasion, and control tools like confusion effects, this path is perfect for players who enjoy calculated, surgical strikes from the shadows. Or you can choose Predator, a fast and relentless close-range fighter. Predators trade some stealth for enhanced speed and raw combat power, allowing them to engage enemies head-on while maintaining strong burst potential. This path shines in high-difficulty content, where aggression, sustained pressure, and adaptability are key. At level 50, your decision will define whether you become a silent executioner, striking from the shadows, or a deadly predator overwhelming enemies with speed and power. Now we have the Dragon Fighter class, which at level 50 can evolve into two specialized paths focused on overwhelming power, transformation, and hybrid combat. You can evolve into Dragon Sage, a unique fighter who merges physical strength with magical enhancement. Dragon Sages empower their weapons with elemental energy, allowing them to deal amplified damage while maintaining versatility in combat. This path is perfect for players who enjoy a balanced playstyle, combining melee attacks with magical bursts to adapt to any situation. Or you can choose Dragon Knight, a powerful warrior capable of transforming into a dragon form during battle. Dragon Knights excel in raw strength and survivability, gaining increased attack power and durability when transformed. This path is ideal for players who prefer a dominant frontline presence and the ability to overwhelm enemies with sheer force. At level 50, your decision will define whether you become a mystical warrior infused with magical power, or a fearsome dragonborn knight crushing everything in your path. Now that we've chosen our class, let's move on to what really matters for play-to-earn players: farming. This is where the real monetization happens inside the game. There are basically 4 main ways to generate income. First, you can sell monster Codex entries. Every time you farm and defeat monsters, you can obtain Codex items that increase combat stats. These are in high demand because they directly boost player power, making them one of the best-selling assets in the game. Second, you can farm gold. Gold drops from regular monsters and bosses, and it's a core resource for progression and trading. Third, you can craft or loot valuable items and list them on the in-game marketplace to earn ruby. Strong gear and rare drops always have demand, especially in competitive servers. This is where strategy meets consistency. The smarter you farm, the more you earn. Now I'm going to open the marketplace and collect the sale from 2 Codex items I recently sold. The rarer the Codex you sell, the more ruby you earn. High demand and rare monster entries can generate significantly higher returns, especially on active servers. After collecting your ruby, the next step is to convert it into Ruby X. But before that, I'm also going to collect the sale of Cron, which is the main gold currency in the game and can also be sold for ruby. Just like Codex items, Cron has strong demand because players constantly need it for upgrades, crafting, and progression. That makes it another solid and consistent way to generate ruby through the marketplace. Now let's convert our in-game rubies into Ruby X in the Cross wallet. First, click on the menu, then go to Cross Ramp. Here we enter the amount of rubies we currently have, and they'll be automatically converted into Ruby X and sent directly to our Cross wallet. Now we're heading over to the Cross Game Token website to swap our Ruby X for Cross tokens. Once you're there, connect your wallet, select Ruby X as the token you want to sell, choose Cross as the token you want to receive, confirm the transaction, and that's it. Done. The balance is already in our wallet. Super simple and smooth. And that's one of the ways to earn Cross inside Rohan 2. Another very interesting opportunity is the Content Creator Program introduced with CrossWave 2.0. It comes with strong incentives, and Rohan 2 is part of it, featuring an $80,000 prize pool that will be distributed among approved content creators. If you want to learn how to apply and start earning through the creator system, I made a full step-by-step video explaining everything. You'll find it in the card of this video. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.